Hey friends, if you wish to customize the sidebar on the Opera browser on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us open the Opera browser before anything else. Open the Opera browser and then click on these three dots at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and select settings. Okay, now since we need to customize the sidebar, we will search for sidebar in the search bar and click on manage sidebar. So if you don't want the sidebar, simply turn the switch off. If you want the sidebar, then you can turn it on, but that's only if you use it. I actually believe that the sidebar in Opera is excellent. You have all the three main apps here, and the next one is that you can customize the elements in it. Like some people don't want aria, but there are people who would want chat gpt, so you can customize it accordingly. I usually keep the important apps on the left hand side. And if you want notifications for messenger, like for example if someone sends you a message on messenger, then you can turn this on, or else you can turn this off. Now I'll let you know one thing. People think messenger means Facebook Messenger. No, it basically means all of these apps, all of these messenger apps. And automatically hide sidebar. Now this option will automatically hide the sidebar unless you scroll to the list on the left hand side. So you can choose the options as per your requirements. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.